Hi guys, I'm just making a quick video today to show you how to get Jenkins up and running on your Windows machine. So the first step is to install the Java development kit. Go to your web browser, navigate to Google, and then search for download Java JDK 8, and then click on the first link. Then scroll down, and once you see Windows x64, click on that download link there. So for this, you'll have to have created an account on Oracle. If you haven't created one before, you can click on this link and follow those instructions. I have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And I'm going to save this file to my desktop. So as it is downloading, I'm going to go download Jenkins as well. So I'm going to leave these links down in the description, but you can go to Google and just type in download Jenkins, and you'll be hitting the first link, which is not the ad. And from here, go down to Windows and click on that, and then save it on the desktop as well. Okay, now that the JDK has completed downloading, let's install it. So hit next there, then next there. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Make sure it's just saves to the default destination here, unless you have an issue with your hard drives. So the first step would be to install the Java development kit, and then we will be setting the environment variables for JDK. So we will be setting the Java home and JRE home variables, and putting the addresses from the Windows Explorer. I'll show you how to do that as soon as this finishes installing. Okay, now Java C Development Kit 8 has successfully installed. Okay, so I'm going to go to type here to search. I'm going to type environment variables. So edit the system environment variables, and from here I'm going to go to environment variables tab here. And now if you have a Java path and a JRE path here already, you don't need to do this, but if you don't, then click on new, and then you're going to have a variable named Java underscore path, and the variable value, we're going to browse the directory, this PC, local disk C, program files, Java, and JDK 8. So if you have a different destination where you install Java to, navigate to that and ensure this variable name points to the JDK folder, and then hit on OK. And now you can see that we have a Java underscore path variable now. We need to make one more, and this is going to be called JRE underscore path. Java JRE folder. Hit OK. Hit OK. Okay. So once we have the Java path and JRE path, we need to add the bin folder destination to path as well. So we're going to click on edit here and click on new, and going to go into our Windows Explorer, click on local disk C, program files, and navigate to Java, JDK, bin. I'm going to copy this address, Control C, and going to click new here, and Control V, paste this here, and click OK. And now we're done setting the environment variables. Now let's go ahead and install Jenkins. So we've already downloaded Jenkins, and navigate to wherever you have the installer and double click on it. Hit next, and here you can just run the service as a local system as long as it's for training purposes, and leave it to the default port number. Make sure you hit test port, and once you get the green check mark here, click on next. I would leave this to the default path that it's going to install at. You don't need to create a firewall exception. Let's click on install, hit yes, finish. So the first time you do this, it's going to time out. Just give it a few seconds so that Jenkins can load up, and when you hit refresh again, it should take you to the sign up page or the install page. Okay, so the first time you install Jenkins, it's gonna have to you're gonna have to unlock Jenkins using the initial admin password. So it shows you where the admin password is stored, but if you copy this address and paste it in your Explorer, it might not open. So it gives you this error. The problem is not that it doesn't exist. The problem is that it needs admin access to enter. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to that path step by step. So C, and first you want to go to Windows, then sys32, then config, and hit continue, system profile, continue again, app data, local, Jenkins, secrets, initial admin password, and you want to open this with your textpad editor, and you want to copy this code and then paste this here under administrative password, and then you want to hit continue. And I suggest installing the suggested plugins. It's going to take a while, so I'm just going to pause the video. So it's almost done installing here. Okay, so now create first admin user. So I'm going to give it my username, my password, type the password here, my full name, and my email address. And I would leave the instance configuration to the default Jenkins URL, and then at the bottom here click save and finish, and you can start using Jenkins by clicking that blue button there. So anytime you navigate to localhost 8080, you should find Jenkins. So if I close this window, I'm going to open a new incognito window, and I go to localhost 8080. I need to type my username and my password, and log into Jenkins. If you scroll to the bottom here, you can see the Jenkins version, the 2.249. You can click on it, go to the Jenkins website to find the latest updates. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good one. Bye.